So, hello students, this is class 12, subject biology, and date is 8th May 2021. Last time we have studied about gametogenesis. In the gametogenesis, we studied about the spermatogenesis. By the process of spermatogenesis, we have studied about the formation of sperms, how sperms are the formed and where sperms are the formed. So, sperms are male gametes. So, today we have to study about the structure of sperm. Structure of sperm are male gamete. A sperm consists of four parts. A sperm, if we have to see its structure, it has a, this is head region. This is the head region. This is the head region of the sperm. First, this is head region of the sperm, and anterior side it contains a acrosome. Acrosome. This acrosome contains hydrolytic enzyme which helps in the fertilization of the ovum. Actually, it helps in the penetration of the membranes which covers the ovum, and in this way it helps in the fertilization. So about the acrosome. After that, this head region, it is consists of a big nucleus. It is the haploid nucleus. This is nucleus containing chromosomal material, containing chromosomal materials. This one is the head region is there, and after that, this head region, neck region is neck regions, and after that, middle piece. This is about so second region. This one is the neck, and this region is called as the middle piece. This is middle piece. This middle piece, this is middle piece, and this middle piece contains a large number of mitochondria. It contains the spirals of the mitochondria. It contains a large number of this is mitochondria. Mitochondria for production of energy. So two ports, one head. This is number one is head. Second is neck. Third is middle piece. And fourth portion is it is elongated tail. It is an elongated this is tail. This is region is tail. Elongated tail is there, and externally whole sperm is covered by a plasma membrane. It is externally covered by plasma membrane. Whole sperm is externally covered by a membrane known as plasma membrane. This is plasma membrane which covers the entire sperms. Whole sperm is covered by a membrane known as the plasma membrane. This is anywhere we can write plasma membrane. So this is the structure of sperm or male gamete. It is consists of four part: head, neck, middle piece, and the tail. So middle piece, as you know, that have contain a large number of the mitochondria. This mitochondria helps in the production of the energy. It, with the help of the tail, it moves, it swims, and for the swimming, they need of a huge amount of the energy, and this energy is produced by the mitochondria, which is present in the middle piece of the sperm. In a healthy person, about 200 to 400, 200 to 300 in a healthy person, about 200 to 300 million sperms are released or ejaculated during each coitus. It is very important in normal person or if a healthy person, about 200 to 300 million sperms are ejaculated or released per coitus. Out of these, at least 60%, at least 60% sperms must have normal shape and size, and out of which so 60% and at least 40% of them must have vigorously mobile vigorous motility and what it is the produced about 200 to 300 millions of the sperms are ejaculated per coitus, and at least 60% of sperm must have to normal shape and size, and at least 40% of them must have the vigorous motility, means they must have the strong, they can swim properly to perform the process of the fertilization. One more term is there, the sperms are found in a fluid called as seminal vesicle fluid. So seminal plasma, we can write here. Seminal plasma plus sperms they make semen. They make semen. You can write here. This is semen. Actually, during coitus was ejaculated. Actually, only sperms are not ejaculated, but semen ejaculated, and that semen contains seminal plasma plus sperms. So, thank you. That's for today.